Plant FAQs, Diamond Lake Hosta. Diamond Lake Hosta, frequently asked questions. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a passionate gardener, I constantly get questions about the stunning Diamond Lake Hosta. This captivating shade-loving perennial boasts vibrant blue foliage and adds a touch of elegance to any landscape. So, whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious newbie, I'm here to answer your burning questions about the Diamond Lake Hosta. What makes the Diamond Lake Hosta special? The Diamond Lake Hosta stands out for its mesmerizing blue foliage. The thick, heart-shaped leaves are heavily corrugated, with a captivating wavy margin that adds a touch of whimsy. These beauties can grow up to 9 inches wide and 11 inches long, making a bold statement in your shade garden. Is the Diamond Lake Hosta easy to grow? Absolutely. This low-maintenance perennial is a dream for busy gardeners. It thrives in zones 3 to 9, meaning it can withstand a wide range of climates. Diamond Lake Hosta prefers partial shade or shade, making it ideal for areas that don't receive full sun throughout the day. How big does the Diamond Lake Hosta get? At maturity, the Diamond Lake Hosta can reach a height of 17 inches and a width of 45 inches. This impressive size makes it a great choice for adding a touch of drama to borders or as a stunning specimen plant in a container. What kind of care does the Diamond Lake Hosta need? Here's the good news. Diamond Lake Hosta requires minimal care. Water your plant regularly, especially during hot, dry periods. A balanced fertilizer applied once a year in early spring will keep it looking its best. Does the Diamond Lake Hosta have any pests or diseases? One of the benefits of this hosta is its resistance to slugs, a common garden pest. However, it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for any potential problems and address them promptly. Does the Diamond Lake Hosta flower? Yes, the Diamond Lake Hosta produces delicate lavender flowers in late summer. These blooms are a lovely bonus, but the true star of the show is the magnificent blue foliage. The flowers also attract butterflies and hummingbirds, adding another layer of life to your garden. How can I propagate the Diamond Lake Hosta? Sharing the beauty of the Diamond Lake Hosta is easy. This variety can be propagated by division in the early spring or fall. Simply dig up the mature plant and carefully separate the sections, ensuring each division has healthy roots and buds. Replant the divisions in well-draining soil and keep them well-watered until established. What are some companion plants for the Diamond Lake Hosta? The Diamond Lake Hosta pairs beautifully with a variety of shade-loving plants. Consider ferns like the Japanese painted fern or heuchera, commonly called coral bells, for a burst of color. Astilbes with their feathery plumes and colorful blooms also make excellent companions. How does the Diamond Lake Hosta compare to other hostas? The Diamond Lake Hosta is part of the popular Shadowland series, known for their large size and vibrant foliage. Compared to other Shadowland varieties like Francis Williams with its chartreuse leaves or Halcyon with blue-green foliage, the Diamond Lake Hosta stands out for its intense blue coloration and heavily corrugated texture. Where can I buy a Diamond Lake Hosta? Many online retailers and local nurseries carry the Diamond Lake Hosta. Look for healthy plants with vibrant blue foliage and no signs of damage. Final thoughts. The Diamond Lake Hosta is a captivating addition to any shade garden. Its easygoing nature and stunning blue foliage make it a favorite among gardeners of all levels. With minimal care, this perennial will grace your landscape for years to come, adding a touch of elegance and tranquility. So happy planting!